is a trail work project. We started at Mt Gleason Road and hiked in a couple miles and did a bunch of brushing, clearing overgrown bushes, and then digging the trail to restore it. It was a couple days. It's around mile 422. We kind of did between 421 and 423 and hiked in from the other side the other day. Just a bunch of clips. It's kind of neat to see the transformation of the trail. How much it had slid downhill because of the obstacles, and then how much had to get dug out. That's where we exited at the dirt road, and on the second day we hiked into the spot from there and hiked back out with all the tools. So a good time. We had a bunch of people both days. Alright, we're going to do trail work up on Mt Gleason. We left from Mill Creek Summit back there, and we're driving up Mt Gleason Road to where we will hike into the trail. Cleaning overgrown brush and some tread work maybe on the trail. Cleared all this. You can see the trail has gone all the way around because all this was over it. Alright, let's get that. This has been cleared. This was all hanging over. Now you can walk. Looking good. We try to do it good enough that it'll last 5 years so we don't have to come back to the same spot again in the spring. That's why he pushed back so far. It'll all grow. Heck, even this stuff after the winter is going to fall right over the whole trail. There's just only so much you can cut. It's looking good though. We concentrate on the uphill. Oh no, it's cool. With people in the picture you can see more better that like, oh, the trail's clear. That person can walk. Hey,
we don't want to do it in the dark.
This all got brushed. The trail's drifted. Try to cut it back a bit so we restore the trail. Just real quick, then I'll catch up with everyone else. They're starting the saws now and moving forward, so after this I'll catch up. In progress. Gotta do all this. Nice. forest. Cool. Oh yeah. There you go. Oh yeah, all that can go. Wow. Total transformation. Look at this. Freaking amazing. Look at that. This was totally, look at all that we had to cut. It was totally all overgrown. The trail had wandered way down here to try to get around it all. Crazy. All this was overgrown. The whole slope was down. The poor little trail went way down there, but it's back. Look at that. Amazing. This next. Oh yeah. Nate and Pat Andrew and Sam.
All of you walked past this track. I left it on the trail this morning on the way up.
We left it for you to pick up.